Hello everyone, this is Gayatri, dietitian at Cope Clinic for Women. Hope you all are staying home, staying safe and leading a healthy lifestyle, which is very important during this phase of lockdown period. Striking a work-life balance is definitely very important at this point of time. Well, I would like to start with the famous quote by the Greek physician and the father of medicine, Hippocrates, who said, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." I'm sure we all would be able to relate to this, especially during this time where everybody speaks about immunity and strengthening the immune system. Yes, it is indeed very critical and important. As we all know, since we don't have a vaccine in place for this virus, we definitely need to strengthen our immune system. Well, strengthening our body's defense mechanism is not something that comes overnight. It is a gradual and a slow process which needs consistency and discipline, and it needs a holistic approach. When I say holistic approach, it is not only about eating balanced diet but also having adequate amount of rest, which is very much important, by giving at least 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep and strengthening our respiratory system by following 20 to 30 minutes of pranayama and pranakriya schedule, and having a regular exercise regime, and also keeping stress at bay. Eating the right kind of food is mandatory for all age groups, and inculcating healthy eating habits among children is a key factor. Since this is also peak summer, hydrating ourselves and replenishing our body with plenty of fluids with at least 4 to 5 liters of water also helps to remove the toxins from our body. Apart from this, we can also incorporate fresh juices, smoothies, fresh lemonades, cucumber and mint juice, or it can be diluted buttermilk with a pinch of jeera and methi, which also helps to cool down the system. Well, since we are most of the times indoor, getting vitamin D is a big challenge, of course. So we can just get ourselves exposed to the morning sunlight either in your balcony or in the corridors, or if you have an access to the terrace, that would be a wise choice. Dietary supplement through for vitamin D would be fish, egg, milk and milk products, mushrooms, and fortified cereals and fruit juices. During this lockdown situation, especially when our movements are very much restricted, we need to be cautious and have a check on what we eat and ensure that we do not binge on too many snacking items. We need to burn the calorie that we consume in a day by engaging ourselves in a lot of indoor physical activity, probably by playing a virtual game which gives us a lot of physical movement, or music lovers can play a beat of their choice and try to burn some calories. For those where this is not possible, they can go on a calorie deficit diet. Well, some ideal healthy snacking choices could be a bowl of boiled corn, or roasted peanuts, boiled peanuts, roasted chana, or it can be low-fat popcorn, or it can be a bowl of sprouts, spiced up to your choice. Well, sometimes due to feeling of boredom and too much of stress and anxiety and feeling of depression or being left alone, some people may tend to overeat. This could be avoided by connecting up virtually with their friends and relatives and trying to elevate their mood and staying positive. And also ensure that you pick the right choice of food from the grocery store as well. Try to avoid white sugar as much as possible and substitute it with organic jaggery and palm sugar. Try to incorporate adequate amount of fenugreek powder and cinnamon powder as well in your daily meal, as they are loaded with soluble fiber and powerful antioxidants, which also aids in weight loss program. When I speak about balanced diet, it is not only about eating the right amount of carbs, but incorporating more of complex carbs in the diet and avoiding simple carbs and refined starch. Vegetarians can go for plant-based proteins like pulses and legumes along with soya, and chicken and fish along with egg would be the source of protein for non-vegetarians. Incorporate good fat in your diet, and include a lot of immune boosting ingredients like ginger, turmeric, pepper, garlic, onion, honey, and have plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. When I talk about vegetables, have vegetables which are loaded with dietary fiber and roughage, which helps to avoid constipation, and which are also loaded with a good amount of protein. Fruits, definitely yes, they are source of vitamins and minerals, along with the rich vitamin C content, which are powerful antioxidants, and which helps to in the production of white blood cells, which helps to fight against infection and develop a stronger immune system. We at Core Clinic help to design personalized wellness diet, weight loss diet for PCOS, high protein diet for pregnant women, and anti-inflammatory diet as well. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.